She started screaming, that's my dad outside the car. Oh please, the keys, they're not in the ignition. Must have wound up on the floor while we were switching up positions. I guess they knew that she was missing as I tried to tell her that it was her mouth that I was kissing. Screaming, oh, we're never gonna quit, ain't nothing wrong with it. Just acting like we're animals. No, no matter where we go, 'cause everybody knows we're just a couple animals. So come on baby, get in, we're just a couple animals. Just get in, ain't nothing wrong with it. Check out the trouble we're in, we're just a couple animals. Just get in.
Yeehaw!